Today we're going to do a small set 6524, bearing the name Blizzard Blazer. In my understanding it's just a snow-plough, and then we're already putting the roof. In this set it's using Lego Technic parts to make the second axle. This is something you see more often. And then you have these typically Lego Technic wheels. They are perfect for making this kind of tractors. Yes, then we are almost finished. Just some decoration. Hello, this is Timo, and this is another video of my project where I'm talking and building my old Lego. Today we're going to do a small set, and it's set 6524. It's bearing the name Blizzard Blazer, and it was released in 1988. Yeah, let's just start with this build, and then we see what topics pass. The instructions are vertical orientated. So we start with the minifigure, which is a very basic minifigure. I mean, I think in recent Lego you won't see something like this anymore, but yeah, it's just like very basic. So let's start with the Blizzard Blazer. In my understanding, it's just a snow-plough. And I think it's a topic, it's a thing that Lego and Lego City didn't really had, you know. Back then, I don't know how it's with recent Lego, but there was not really something related to snow and skiing and everything. As a child, I always found that a very nice topic. I went skiing a couple of times in my life, also as a child, and when I came home, I always started to be creative with Lego and build things like cable cars and everything. And yeah, you don't just see them actually in Lego. I mean, they had like, you know, they have trains and they had a monorail system. Maybe they could also have had a cable car system or something, you know, would also have been maybe nice. I mean, something related to winter. Lego doesn't really have that. I mean, they have some Christmas things sometimes. I think recent Lego, but related to just winter, like winter sports or winter life, or yeah, I think this is one of the rare sets back then that had this kind of theme. And then we're already putting the roof. And this set has, it's using Lego Technic parts to make the second axle, the second wheel. And that is something you see more often. And then you have this typically this Lego Technic wheels. They're actually mostly in the Lego Technic scale. They are mostly like just small wheels. But in minifigure, Lego City scale, they are perfect for making this kind of tractors. Yes, and then we are almost finished. Just some decoration. All right. We get this very basic minifigure inside. And that's it. That was a small build. Let's see how I can fold back the instructions together. And they are, yeah, actually quite damaged. 1988. It's a while ago, of course. And yeah, then we have this. That's the end result. '6524 Blizzard Blazer 1988 released. Yeah. That's a shorter video, a small build. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, that's very important to grow. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye.